Excel's percent off function returns the percentage that a subset of data contributes to a whole dataset, saving you from having to create additional or complex formulas to generate the same outcome. The most straightforward use of the percent off function is to calculate the percentage of a single value against an overall total. In this example, your task is to work out each employee's contribution to the overall sales total for that month. To do this, type the following formula. If you've used a formatted table, this will force Excel to add the column name to your formula, and the @ symbol means that each row will be considered individually within the result. Finally, select all the data in column D, including the subset you selected in the previous step but excluding the column header, to tell Excel which cells make up the whole dataset. This will appear in your formula as the column name in square brackets. Then, close the original rounded parentheses. When you press Enter, the result will display as a series of zeros, or the percentage column is currently represented as decimals rather than percentages. Select all the affected cells and click the % icon in the number group of the Home tab on the ribbon. While you're there, click the Increase Decimal button to add decimal places, which will help you differentiate between similar values. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.